You know you have it bad when you have your Porsche on this incredibly rough road and you have a tent camper on top of your car. I can respect that. I mean, yeah, the GSA doesn't make this road look all that rough, but let me tell you, it sucks. Thing is, when I got the truck and trailer hooked up, it's a 911 Camaro. I'm going slower than him. I respect that. Glad I got that on video. Nobody would have believed me. If you're into dirt biking at all, this is the place you want to be. But if you're from the north like me, oh my God, the heat, even in mid-April, is unbearable. Talking to the locals, this heat, it ain't nothing yet. And I believe that. So this is 2 miles of extremely rough gravel. I mean, you don't need high ground clearance or anything, but it is downright rough. And there's an airport, by the way, and it's labeled an international airport. Hey, how you doing? Pat here. We are in Big Bend National Forest, and we're getting ready to do the Ross Maxwell Scenic Drive. I believe this is approximately a 38-mile tour, if I'm remembering correctly when I looked at the map. And just for the record, I'm the only one here doing the speed limit today. Everybody's blowing my doors off. You'll never know who you run into out here. Hi, moo-moos. Did not know they had free-range wildlife, if you want to call moo-moos wildlife. Well, hey, be on the lookout for cows. Looks like something out of Game of Thrones. Alright, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed that. I'm on my way back out now, but these cows were here, so I want to be extra careful. Not to spook or make anybody mad, because they're bigger than me. If you would, give me a thumbs up if you had. Mash that subscribe button down below. It basically ends right there at the Santa Elena Canyon. So you can, I didn't get to film it, there were just too many people. You get to end right down there. And that's a hiking trail. Maybe next time. I am not set up to hike.